What's the difference between a hazard and a risk? Easy question? Apparently not. There appears to be some confusion between the two. A hazard can be identified as anything which can cause harm. A risk is the potential that a hazard will cause harm. This ladder is a hazard. Climbing the ladder and falling off is a risk. This plane is a hazard. Flying the plane in a thunderstorm and crashing is a risk. This hammer is a hazard. Using it and injuring oneself is a risk. Okay, so now we understand the difference between a hazard and a risk. How then do we assess the specific risk that a hazard poses? First, we assess how likely it is that someone will be exposed to the hazard. The likelihood will depend upon the probability and the frequency of exposure to a hazard. We also assess the likely outcome, the severity or range of the potential consequences resulting from the hazard. An example, the hazard in this case is our poisonous black spider, contained in a closed jar. Rating the hazard, the spider, against the severity and probability scale, we'd most likely say the risk of harm to the person is minor and remote. Change the circumstances and the poisonous spider is outside the jar, we'd change the risk rating to probable and imminent danger. See you next time.